Neckline after cutting is measured to 9.5 on fold. Here we will see with wrong stitching how the neckline expands. Usually people follow this method to finish the neckline or stitch the neckline, but we are going to show you the right way of stitching the neckline so that there is no shoulder drop. As you can see, the measurement of the neckline shows 10 inches. That means the neck has been expanded, but we are going to compress the neckline while stitching the hem finish and measure it again. Make sure you iron the neckline, and now when we measure, it is going to give us 18.5.